Craigo Woods, with the splash of the cauldron beating in the back end of the year, when the clouds hang lech with their wecht o' their load of greeting and the autumn winds asteer. Ye may stand like ghasts, ye may fa the blast that's cleft ye to rot in the chilly dew. But when will I mind on aught since the day I left ye, like I mind on you, on you? Craigo Woods, in the licht of September sleeping and the soft mist of the morn, when the hairst climbs to your feet and the sound of reaping comes up frae the stookit corn, and the braw reed puddock stools are like jewels blinking, and the bramble haps ye baith. Oh, what do I see i' the lang nicht lying and thinking as I see your wraith, your wraith? There's a road to a far-off land, and the land is yonder where a' men's hopes are set. We dinna ken fu lang we maun hae to wander, but we'll win to it yet. And gin there's woods of fir and the licht atween them, I winna speir its name. But I'll lay me down by the puddock stools when I've seen them, and I'll cry, I'm hame, I'm hame.